Hey y'all, this is Madeline with Handmade by Nivrie, and I'm coming to you from my sewing room. I just got through making a few bags. Like I told you in the post earlier today, that I'm getting ready for a market vendor show on Valentine's Day. It's called the Valentine's Day Market. It's just the same company that I did the Christmas market with, Coffee. Anyway, want to make this video quick. I just want to show y'all a couple of the bags that I have been making, which I actually posted the two that I've got done so far. I already posted it on my Instagram page. This one, which is too cute. It's the boxy pouches that are so popular now. Like I told y'all, I love this fabric. It has the women on there and different shades, different colors. It has you see the bobby pins. It has nail polish, lipsticks, shopping bags. So yes, all things women. Don't just scream women, woman, 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 women, girl power. It's a 3-piece set. It has, this is the large bag. This is the medium size bag. And I also did the hot tools bag. So you're able to put your curling irons, your flat irons, brushes, combs, any of those things in this bag. I know a lot of little girls, they're doing these bags, they're quilting them. I didn't want to quilt mine. I just put my fusible fleece in there. I like the flimsy look, honestly. And once you put your accessories in there, then it'll kind of help expand it a little bit. So yeah, this is my newest set, Girl Power. And I'm going to have this set at the vendor market. Like I say, it's at the Coffee. Y'all know these first few months you are trying to celebrate everything from Black History Month to Valentine's Day to St. Patrick's Day to Women's Month. So it's going to be a lot of different things. Easter patterns. So at this market, I'm going to try to introduce a little bit of everything. I got all of my dog bandanas done, working on my Black History stuff, and I actually posted this one. I ended up making the hot tools bag with this one. So yeah, this is a 3-piece set as well. Yeah, I love this one. So yeah, these all be on sale at the vendor market. Yes, I think these are too cute. I'm gonna do one more set. I think I'm gonna do another Black History one. I'm leaning more towards this print here. I love it. Orange is my favorite color. And I got this fabric to go as my lining. I think that's gonna be just too cute and bright. Black zipper pulls. I think that's gonna be cute. This is the one I'm about to work on now. So yeah, it's gonna be cute, gonna be cute. So yeah, I'm gonna have 3 sets of these, maybe 4, depends. I got a lot more other things I need to make and get started on in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, these are it, the boxy pouches.